Animation made of Alight motion. You can use this animation for your gaming channel, or do it according to the way you want to use it. By the way, this animation has been made for the first time in this category, so it is not that good, but slowly I will definitely improve the animation of this category. And the download link of these templates will be found in the description. So, let's open Alight Motion and edit these animation template. Let me show you all the layers of this template one by one. And you can edit all the layers according to your own, like adding your logo, choosing color according to the theme of your channel. Hope you have liked these templates of Alight Motion today.